What's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel once again. I wasn't expecting to do this video today, but somebody sent me a trailer, like a teaser of the trailer of the Fast and the Furious, and I felt like I had to share it. So I shared it on my Instagram, and I've tried to see where this trailer came from. Although it's out of nowhere, it wasn't shared by Vin Diesel or neither of the cast or the Fast Saga Instagram page. No one shared this video, so I was the first to share it. And but I can confirm you, it's real. You can see basically in the video that I'm about to show you, we're going to listen to it together. You basically see Vin Diesel with Brian Toretto, and they are working on a tractor together, and there's Letty also, so it's 100% real. It's not fake. So what we are going to do right now, I have my computer on me, and I'm going to start the video. I'm going to start this video. We're going to watch it together, and I'm going to tell you a lot of hint that I found in this trailer. So there's a lot of small pieces of a puzzle that we are going, within the next month, we're going to put all these pieces together, and hopefully we'll get to what the movie will be about. Hopefully, I don't know, but basically you're going to see. If you haven't seen it already, brace yourself, because it looks way more back to basic. Hopefully, I really hope it's going to be back to basics, but it feels like they are going towards the right path with the Fast and the Furious. So without waiting anymore, we're going to watch this video right now. So here it is. So basically, it starts with Vin Diesel, as you can see, with his son. He's teaching him how to work on engines. So this is cool. If you watched my live video about 2 or 3 days ago, we were talking about where this movie is going to be is going to happen in time. So definitely happening about 3 or 4 years after the first one.
Hi, little Brian. I have a gift for you. Your daddy gave me this. No, I'm gonna give it to you. It's for protection.
And now, once again, the cross. Letty's is she's giving the cross to Brian Toretto. So this is it. It's only like 53 seconds, but what can we tell from this video so far? Definitely, there's something that is about to happen to Dominic Toretto. He's telling Brian Toretto. I'm having a hard time, by the way, saying Brian Toretto. It sounds weird, but definitely there's going to be something happening to Dominic Toretto at this point, because he's saying that he's always going to protect his son, even though he won't be there or something like that. But I feel like something is about to happen. We know for a fact that Cypher is going to be back. There's people like John Cena who are going to be in the movie, so there's going to be a ton of action. I know there's a lot of you who prefer street racing or stuff like that, but hey, what can we do? So far, I'm really pleased by what we saw in this trailer, and I feel like, well, there was some rumor. I don't know what is true, what is not, but there was definitely some rumor coming from Craig Lieberman regarding the fact that the RX-7 from the first Fast and the Furious was going to appear in the movie. How could they do that? I feel like probably the fact that now what you can see from the trailer, Dominic Toretto is living in somewhere very, very remote, far away from Los Angeles, and there's a shed. And maybe the tractor is in the shed, but maybe there's the RX-7. But so far from this 50-ish second video, we can see that Universal listened to the fan. There was a lot of people over the past 2 years saying that would be super cool to have like a throwback or something that ties up the new movie to the first one. And there was a lot of people like me, Craig Lieberman, saying that that would be cool to see a shed with an old Fast and Furious 1 car underneath a tarp or something. So there is going to be something like a huge throwback in this movie. Of course, we saw from a previous Instagram post that Vin Diesel, Michelle Rodriguez were at Irwindale Speedway. But my bet is there's going to be something about Vin Diesel, well, Dominic Toretto's dad, passing away from a crash or something. There's going to be a lot of throwbacks in this movie because there's a ton of movies these days coming out where they embrace nostalgia. And I feel like the Fast and Furious 9 will follow all these movies. And there's going to be a lot of throwbacks. And so far, I mean, we are 2 days away, less than 2 days away from the trailer, the full trailer of Fast and Furious 9. I would love to see something about Brian O'Connor. There was a rumor that he was supposed to be in the movie, and then there was more than rumor. It was confirmed that Brian O'Connor's character would be somehow back in the movie. Well, we all have to wait for now, but I really want to know, what is your thought on this short video, this short teaser trailer, whatever. And I really want to have your thoughts. On Instagram so far, I think there's about, at the moment of this recording, there's about 30,000 views. And a lot of people are saying that maybe they should have just, I don't know, there's a lot of people who feel uncomfortable about doing another movie and another movie without Paul Walker, because Fast and Furious 8 was a bit dull without him. I feel like, yes, Vin Diesel is one of the main stars of the movie, but I feel like he's nothing if Brian O'Connor, aka Paul Walker, is not in the franchise. So anyway, let me know what you think in the comment below. We are going to do another video review like this, but way more in-depth review of the trailer when it will come out on Friday. So once again, guys, thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and leave a comment. I really want to read your thoughts on this new teaser trailer that just came out. So until then, I see you soon. Bye.